Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Sorry. So today's 14th of September. Today's the first day of the week. So we'll start off. I'm going to start off with GBP USD. Sorry, we'll start off with Euro USD. This is Euro USD. Let's see exactly what we expect to be happening on this chart. This is Euro USD. So on this chart, basically, if you look at what is happening now, we are actually bouncing off from a very good support. We had a support at this point. This is a very good resistance in the past. We had a resistance here, we had a resistance here, and then there was this break above. The price consolidated above this zone. As we are speaking now, you can see that the price is somehow still above 1.17749. So we do expect a continuation upwards up to this resistance. So expect price to proceed up to this level. After a pullback, expect it to continue up to this point. The next chart I want us to look at is GBP. So the GBP so far, this is bearish. Somehow the price is pulling back upwards, but we are still downwards. You can see this massive move to the lower side. Previously, like earlier today, the price gapped below. Right now, as we're speaking, the price is moving to the upside. So we do expect this pullback to be just a retracement, and we should continue up to the support. So ultimately, if you are looking at this chart now, you are supposed to look for sell positions. Expect price to proceed up to this level here. So on this chart, we are sellers. Let me check at the time frame. If you look at the weekly chart, I mean the 1 hour chart, we have a resistance here. This is a very good resistance where if the price does not clearly break and close above it, we do expect a sell. We are still looking for sell positions up to this level, the one which I've just drawn. So on the daily chart, this is the best place to take profits from. Look for a sell order up to around this point, 1.26335. The next chart I want us to look at is USD/JPY. So this is a sell. USD/JPY, we do have a sell. If you check it like this, you can see we had a resistance here, a resistance, a resistance. We have a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. On the lower side, we have this level here. So technically, the price needs to move down up to this point, then bounce off from that level, expecting price to proceed upward. So as it is now, keep looking for sell orders. Expect price to continue down up to this supportive trend line. The next chart I want us to look at is SP500. This chart should be upwards. Ultimately, we do expect a continuation to the upper side. Last week, basically, we did not expect price to close below 3382.0. We expected price to bounce back up and close beyond, but as it is now, the price has gone above, I mean below the same level where we expected to be selling from, to be buying from. So this means we are likely to see sellers come in up to this level, 3199.0. So you keep looking for sell orders, keep expecting more sellers to come in, expect price to proceed down up to 3199.0. The next chart is Brent oil. Brent oil is bearish. We have a very active downtrend. Somehow we had a shape, we had a shape from this point here. We also had a trend line from the bottom last week. Then the price went below the whole thing, the whole shape. It went below, it pulled back up and then continued and closed below. Then somehow we are still bearish. So we do expect price to proceed up to 37.991. Expect price to proceed up to this point, 37.991. If it goes below that level, expect it to proceed much lower up to the next level, which is 34.748. So the next chart I want us to look at, and the last for the day, is gold. Gold is within a range. You can see that clearly we are within a range. So on this chart, we expect either a break below this support or a break above, so that we continue up to this level, or the next one is this level. So these are the only key levels. Either you wait for a sell from this point, or a break above to look for a buy up to the next level, which is this, or you wait for a bounce from this point to look for a buy, or a break below so that we look for a sell up to the next level, which is this one, 1811.55. So that should be the end of today's session. I hope you've got something from what I've just said. So guys, feel free to to comment, to like the video, and to say anything that you at least you wish, or if you have any pair which you want me to talk about but I've not looked at it, then you can still just type on the chat box, or you can type of the comment if you happen to listen to this later. So thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow at the same. So thank you. See you.